Welcome to the fourth video inspired by this box of mushrooms I received from Mikuni Wild Harvest. I still have a discount code for you guys. It's good for the rest of this month. It is Korenn15. So you can go over there and receive 15% off of your order. They have amazing shipping, comes extremely quick. I recommend them. The mushrooms are delicious. So for this recipe, I am making a hot pot. I've been binge watching Maitake here on YouTube, as well as Sanyang Longest. I hope I said that right. And all I want to do is make Asian noodle dishes. So these mushrooms here are the Miatake mushrooms that I will be using. They're also known as hen of the woods. They don't need much done to them. They have amazing flavor and they are very tender. And for the other 3 videos made with the other mushrooms in the box, check the link in the description box below. Let's jump into this video. And this is my Miatake mushroom dumpling hot pot. So I'm gonna get started here just with some sweet potato glass noodles, and I'm just boiling them in a pot of hot water. Here I have some baby bok choy. Here are my mushrooms. Here is the vegan just egg. I have some tofu. And I'm gonna pan sear my tofu till it's nice and golden brown. And I'm pan searing in sesame oil. Into the same pan goes my Maitake mushrooms. And I just want to give them a little bit of color. Now most hot pots, they don't pan sear their vegetables or even their tofu first, but I like things that have been pan seared first. Here I have some gluten-free vegan dumplings I found at my local Oriental market. And these are mushroom, 2 of them are mushroom and the other 2 are chive. So the liquid I have here in the pan is a very basic, simple vegan dashi broth made with only 3 ingredients. Be sure to click the link in the description box below to view the full recipe. Really easy stuff. Right on top goes my vegan just egg. As you can see, my bok choy is already in there. Here I have my glass noodles. Feel free to use whatever noodles that you like. I have here some chili oil. I actually picked up this recipe from Sanyang Longest, her channel. She's not vegan, but she has a ton of great noodle recipes. I will put a link in the description box below so you can see the video that inspired this one. Just a bit of fresh scallions on top, and that's it. Just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night. Cloistered in injustice, dead. In the outside, nobody's losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. So as you can see here, I don't actually have a hot pot to serve this in, so these two wooden bowls will have to do. And so I just arrange the ingredients inside of the bowl first, and then I will pour in my vegan dashi broth. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures, and check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.